Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started to fix this issue. First, you need to turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. For that, you simply need to access your quick setting panel, tap on airplane mode, and then wait 10 seconds. Then you have to turn it off and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you have to head to the settings on your Android device. Now select Wi-Fi, select your network, then tap on Forget. Then you have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. Once you have done that, you have to restart your phone and router. Restart both your phone and Wi-Fi router, holding the power button on your device and swiping towards restart will restart your phone. After restarting your Wi-Fi, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you need to check for other possible causes. You need to check for software updates, disable VPN or proxy, or some apps can interfere with your connection. You simply need to try uninstalling recent app. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.